Hello guys, today I'm going to make a video about this bag that I got from Roosevelt when you're expecting a baby. So I have this small green bag. It's like a travel bag. When you open this, you could see this hook where you can use to hang up in the hotel where you're staying when you're on travel. So I think it's really useful. Let's see now what's inside. We have Lancino press pads. We have a lotion. We see a small booklet for coupons, discount. Wet wipes. We have here always panty liner, a sample of Pampers number 1, size 1. We have here a Schnuller from Philips Avent. Face mask from Neutrogena. This one is like a booklet from Rossman containing information about what we can do during pregnancy, like the vitamins, what questions to ask when we go to the doctor, what exercise we can do. It's really nice. And information about mother's milk and breastfeeding. And then we have a few more here. Hip massage oil and Veleda cream, comfort cream. So that's all that we have here inside the bag. And I haven't made a blog yet about how to register online, but I'm going to make one and I'm going to include the link in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to make another one for the box that we could take after we have the baby.